Okay, for this, we're going to find the total of the food prices. Here's the list of food prices, and then we have total cost. You're going to select the cell that you want your information to go into, and we want it to add this. We could use a calculator, but that would defeat the purpose of using a spreadsheet. So we're going to put a formula in there that will do all that for us. So we're going to start our formula with an equal sign. You always do. And then it will have a suggestion and it will probably be the correct suggestion. You can click it. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to click off this and I'm going to type in sum. And then I'm going to put half a parentheses or the beginning of a parentheses. And I'm going to click which cells um, I want it to add. But I'm going to click on the top cell, hold the shift key down on my keyboard, and it's selected all of those. You can see right there. And I'm going to close it out with parentheses and I'm going to hit enter and there's the total.